What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? To watch a tutorial video and in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can change your birthday in TikTok. So basically, there's no way you can change your birthday in TikTok unless you contact the staff of TikTok. And I'm gonna be showing you how you guys can do that in this video. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can feel free to ask us in the comment. Now without any further ado, let's get into the video. So there's two ways to change your birthday in TikTok. The first way is to create a new account with a new birth date which you want and use that account. So that's one way, but if you do that, you need to start all over again with a new account, follow new people, post new content on that account. But if you don't want to do that, then the other way, you can change the birthday of your account, but the chances are 50-50. It might work, it might not work for you. Depends on like what reply TikTok staff gives you. All right, so let me show you guys how you guys can do that. First step, click on profile at the bottom right corner, click on the three line at the top right corner, scroll all the way down, click on report a problem over here. Once you click on it, wait for some time until the report a problem page loads up. It takes a bit of time, depends on the speed of your Wi-Fi. Once it opens up like this, you want to click on account and profile. Once you're over here, scroll a bit down and click on where it says messages over here. So until and unless you see messages, scroll a bit down. But once you see notification and messages over here like I did, click on it, wait for some time. Once you're over here, you want to click on other and you want to click on need more help. So you want to write this: I can't send direct message due to incorrect date of birth being put while creating an account. Can you please help me fix this issue? I'm ready to provide any document if necessary. Click on report. Once you click on it, this problem is going to be sent to the TikTok staff. Once they view it, if they try to help you, then they will try to change your date of birth by asking you. But if they decide not to help you, they're just going to say we can't do this. So it's a 50-50 chance. It might work, it might not. Depends on if you're lucky, it might. If you're unlucky, it's not. But right now, these are the only two ways you guys can change your birthday on TikTok. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. And I will be seeing you guys on my next video. Until then, bye-bye and have a nice day.